Thanksgiving dinner, my grandmother asked me, what the heck is this Bitcoin stuff anyway, right? And I said to her, do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. I said, well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation.
What up guys, Nakamoto Crypto here. Bitcoin is exploding downwards right now. The market seems to be dumping as we've seen a whopping drop from $19,300 all the way down to $17,800 to the $17,600 level as we speak. There is a lot of bearish news to cover. One of them being that the whales are actually returning their coins that they've been hodling for a very long time back into these exchanges. This was noticed by the CEO of CryptoQuant, as he stated that the whales who wanted to keep their Bitcoin on exchanges are now making them ready for sell orders. And we all know what happens when whales want to sell. Soon as they put in that sell orders, the small fish, meaning me and you, or the weak hands will sell off first, or they will wait for a gigantic whale to put in a sell order. So whales could be either a financial institution, as these days they are all just big institutions. It's very hard to see those early Bitcoiners nowadays on the market making these big moves, as you got major companies now getting involved into cryptocurrencies and whatnot. If this is that 20 to 30% correction, then this has been long awaited. People have been waiting for this, and this might be an opportunity to buy the dips. So for those who was waiting for dips, this might be your chance. But before you do, another bearish news. Mt. Gox users might get back $2.6 billion into Bitcoin, meaning 140,000 BTC will be given back to them, because back in February of 2014, this Mt. Gox exchange was hacked. It was the biggest exchange back then that was circulating. Everybody had their coins into Mt. Gox, and they were due to receive these Bitcoins back in October of this year. It was pushed forward to December, and December 15 is just a week away from now. And if they receive 140,000 Bitcoin that they have bought 7 years ago, which cost them around $600 to $700 at the time, what do you think these people are going to do? Buying Bitcoin at $800, somebody steals it from you, some of it has been recovered, and you are now getting your coins that you bought for $800, putting them onto a market where those coins are now worth $17,500 to $19,000. What do you think these people are going to do? They will sell for a profit, and this might push us further down to that 30% correction that everybody has been waiting for. But then again, on the same token, while you are selling your coins, while these people are selling their coins, we have companies like Microstrategy planning to push their corporate investment into BTC to go as high as $1 billion and above. And this Michael Saylor guy is not planning to sell his Bitcoin anytime soon, as he stated in many interviews that this is a 100-year investment. So while people are dumping their coins, taking profits, big institutions with big money are buying crypto every single day. Microstrategy has just put in a sell order for some of their assets for $400 million, and if this sell order goes through by next year early, as soon as they get hold of that $400 million, they are going to buy more Bitcoin with it. This company has purchased 2,574 Bitcoin for $50 million in cash, and they are buying more and more every single day. It is estimated that they currently hold 40,824 Bitcoin. The company total holdings is currently worth $782 million, and they want to put an additional $400 million into this. That will put them way above $1 billion. Imagine how much money they are going to make in the future if the price of BTC just 10x's from where it is right now. They put in a buy order for Bitcoin back in August. Since then, they just been buying more and more and more. So yeah, these companies in the future will be the crypto whales or Bitcoin whales, as they are currently just putting their money into BTC. Once they start flowing their money into these alternative coins, you will see a stable market and a market bigger than gold. The entire cryptocurrency market might swallow gold's market cap and all of these other commodities and rare forms of assets people are currently investing in, meaning these other precious metals like silver and whatnot. Big institutions are at play now. We might not see that 30% drop we have been waiting for a while, as the market back in 2016 and 2017 is different from this one. Nobody expected the C-19 pandemic this year. Bitcoin was sitting at $10,000 back in March, and all of a sudden it dropped all the way down to $3,600. Nobody expected that. It took a while, but then Bitcoin went all the way back up to $10,000, and it stayed there for an additional 100 days straight. And historically, we all know what happens when Bitcoin stays at a certain price for 100 days straight. It skyrockets from there, and this is what we have seen in the month of November, as the price of BTC shot up from 10k all the way up to 19k in a matter of a month and a couple days. That is the power of BTC. This is a total different bull market. The halving just happened this year, which was in May, and we still have a couple more months until this market tops. This bull market will be different in a sense that it's not just retail investors anymore. It's not just me and you buying it anymore. Countries are racing to buy Bitcoin. Big German banks are buying Bitcoin, and this is only the beginning. ETFs will be coming into cryptocurrency. Banks are custodying their clients and customers to get them to invest into BTC and trust them to hold it for them. And lastly, we have some more bullish news with Ethereum. This has been valued at $160 million and has already been locked for Ethereum 2.0 stake using the exchange Kraken. That is insane. For the Ethereum lovers out there, this might be the time Ethereum gets close to flipping Bitcoin again, as everybody has been talking about. 5 years ago, in August of 2015, Kraken was the first cryptocurrency exchange to add the Ethereum coin into their exchange for trading. And now here we are 5 years later, ETH 2.0 is launching, and Kraken once again managed to get 100,000 ETH locked away for staking. That ties us to the bull market of 2021 again. People are not going to be quick to sell their Ethereum during this next bull rally. Why? Because why sell your ETH when Ethereum is, for example, sitting at $10,000 and you can make passive income with it? Why dump it back on the market when you can get up to 7 to 8% per year just holding Ethereum. So this is the game changer for cryptocurrencies. So why sell it at those high prices when you can stake it for a couple more years and become a multi-millionaire or even filthy rich? That explains why we haven't been seeing again those 30% to 20% dips that we have been seeing. Is because people that were the newbies back in 2017 have learned their lesson and they have become a little more smarter this time around, sitting on their bags and just watching things play out. The rest of the world is still not tuned in to cryptocurrencies. They usually come in late, and this time around, if they come in late, knowing that banks have been accumulating, countries have been accumulating, and big financial institutions have been accumulating Bitcoin, imagine that kind of FOMO into the cryptocurrency market. Imagine where that could take Bitcoin. I haven't done this format for a while, so I decided just to try it once again. Like the video, share, subscribe for some daily crypto content. I have been Mr. Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.